Introducing Tornado's new BD144 Compact Cordless Automatic Scrubber. A world-class scrubber delivering superior maneuverability and enhanced productivity. Designed to scrub hard-to-clean areas where a traditional mop and bucket are used, the new eco-friendly BD144 battery-operated scrubber is compact, powerful, versatile, and perfect for smaller confined spaces. Cleaning approximately 11,300 square feet an hour, your small and congested spaces are clean, dry, healthy, and safe in no time. Say goodbye to corded electric units that can cause trips and falls. The BD144's eco-friendly, maintenance-free AGM batteries eliminate the danger of a power cord and periodic maintenance. The BD144 delivers up to 70 minutes of runtime on a single charge. For easy maintenance and access to batteries, simply remove the solution tank for filling and dumping purposes. Remove the disc brushes to make sure they do not need replacing before cleaning. The BD144's low moisture design includes an integrated parabolic squeegee system mounted just 1 inch behind the pad. Solution is contained within the cleaning path and instantly recovered even around 180-degree turns. The BD144 offers easy to fill, empty, and remove tanks. Preparing the BD144 is a quick and easy process. Turn on your vacuum, brush, and solution. Then lower the squeegee blade, and you're ready to operate the machine. The collapsible handle and storage wheels on the back of the unit make storage easy. The BD144 is perfect for use in many different indoor environments, including convenience stores, quick-serve restaurants, small retailers, restrooms, classrooms, health clubs, hospitals, kitchens, and much more. Tornado's BD144 Compact Scrubber works on multiple hard floor types, including concrete, terrazzo, marble, slate, stone, and vinyl composition.